Hello, here we are, week 5 of chemistry. It's go time, people. I've seen a lot of work come in, outstanding. I think you realize the load is very fair. All you have to do is apply yourself for 20, 30 minutes a day tops. You'll be caught up or just on track either way with no problem. One thing I do have to stress is the Hexter-Long vocabulary project. There's only one student who has turned in anything on that so far. That's worth 100 points. That's equal to almost 10 assignments. So go back to week 1 and look at those instructions for the vocabulary assignment. Okay, let's get into week 5. I've kept it pretty fair here. I have a discussion as always, and I have loved your discussion posts, guys. You have some original creative minds out there. I love the ideas you're coming up with my observational discussion posts that I've been putting out there, and you guys are doing great. So make sure you do that. That's an easy 10 points, okay? Then there's a lesson on covalent bonds, and this just explains the lesson. Do the following reading, and then there's a Google Drive attachment that is attached. I'll make sure I have the sharing settings correctly. So watch this video, and then there's some video questions. I've kind of given you a hint to where you'll find some of the answers. If you want to open up the questions first and read them, feel free to do so. Here, I'll do it right now for you. All right, so questions for covalent video. Look at all those tabs I have open, huh? All right, so there's the questions. Read through them. I tell you where to find the answers, and I'm really working on giving you guys as much help as possible when it comes to both reading and watching videos that can get a little scientific. So I'm trying to teach you some purposeful reading and listening strategies. All right, let's go back to the week 5. This one will be deleted. Don't worry about this right here. Then there's a quiz on covalent bonds. Okay, let me back up. It's not a quiz, it's a Quizlet. So what you do is you open it and click on this little tiny link here. See if I can make that stand out a little more. And when you get to Quizlet, go through flashcards, go through the test. We can do that last if you want. Go through matching. There's this live activity that's kind of fun. There's a gravity game. If you want to, you can play that. And the Learns tab. So, and it's written down in the assignment which ones to click on. But feel free to go through all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. And it will help you immensely with covalent bonds and the chemistry. All you need to do is click on it. It flips over and it gives you the definition. Okay. Oh, there's even a little highlight there. That was cool. All right, so let's get that done. I'm going to close that window. If you have trouble with the quiz on covalent bonds, just once you log in, if all the terms aren't there, just click on flashcards and it will take you back to the live Quizlet. You will be given a score by Quizlet once you take the test, but here's all you need to do. Just message me on how well you did on this. It's sort of like an honor system grade. I'm expecting you to really focus on the Quizlet. It's a great way to learn. All right, let's go back to finish off week 5. Quizlet, and these two will be deleted. So that's it. That is it for week 5. However, make sure you go back to week 1 and find that vocabulary assignment. It's a lot of work if you haven't started it, so I would suggest starting now. Just to make sure you watch this video, I'm going to put a question on here, and you'll have to answer it and submit your answer to me. And the question is, what did I stress you get done this week? And the answer is the vocabulary lesson. It's Hexter-Long. You had the whole Hexter to do it. and I think it's like 93 words or something. So get that done. The question is, what am I stressing for you to get done this week? The answer is the vocabulary project. Please go back to week 1, get it done. You guys have been doing great. I don't want you to drop the ball because you haven't been working on this. And if you have any questions on it, let me know. And it's not really that complicated of an assignment. I'm going to see if I can find it here. Let's go to Hexter 4, week 1. All right, way back here. And I believe it's right at the bottom. Week 1, here we go. Boom, Hexter Long project on chemistry vocabulary. There it is. I'll send each of you a message also to remind you to realize how important it is to get this done. So, don't forget, there'll be a graded question on this. See ya!